apps are a really great way of adding extra functionality to your Weebly website. For example, there are apps for adding stylish contact forms or for setting up paid for membership areas. There are live chat apps, social sharing apps, and literally hundreds more. There is also a useful search box which you can use if maybe you've got a good idea of what you want to do, but you're not quite sure which app to use. For example, if we type in video gallery, we get 63 results. And if you are signed into your Weebly account, you can see whether or not these results are free or paid for. And to install an app, you just need to click on the app you're interested in, have a look at the options, maybe have a look at the tutorial video or a live demo, and then when you're ready you can just install the app, and it is as simple as that. The next time you visit your site dashboard, make sure that you've selected the Build tab, and then you can go down to the Installed Apps section and you'll see your new app in there. In this case, Huzzah's Video. If we now create a new page, we can just drag and drop the app onto the page. And you're ready to start setting it up. For this particular app, you just need to click on it, click on Tutorial, and follow these step-by-step instructions.